Sunnyside-ville, fun learning for kids. Hi, friends. Welcome to the playground. Look, here's a swing. It's ready to move. The swing goes up, and the swing goes down. Here is a slide. Ready for some sliding fun? Whee! This is a seesaw. It loves going up and down. One side goes up, other side goes down. Look at the stairs. The ball goes up the stairs, and it goes down. This is a kite. It's ready to fly in the wind. The kite floats up in the sky and comes down. Going up, going down. The playground is calm again. Thanks for playing at the playground. Bye-bye, friends.